making BLTs here at the Young's house, and I am so excited to show you all how easy it is to make a spectacular BLT. Not just any ordinary BLT, a BLT Gina Young style. I hope y'all are having a great weekend today. And if you're not, hopefully I can brighten up your day today. Here's what I'm using. I got some good bacon, y'all. I have some good bacon. Now, no worries for the people that don't eat pork. You can always use a turkey bacon or a beef bacon, okay? So now we're putting eggs onto our BLT. Yes, we are. And I'm thinking about putting some cheese. We'll just kind of see as we go on with the video. Of course, you're gonna need a little bit of oil in your pan. Got some butter here. Nice fresh vine tomatoes. Wash them off. Get you some beautiful iceberg lettuce. And you're gonna need your favorite bread. A bread that's gonna toast up really good because we're toasting this bread. We're gonna butter it down and make it taste good. I got some spices. I'm using some salt and some pepper and some paprika. Make sure your hands are clean. Let's make a delicious BLT. Gina First thing we're gonna do for our BLTs is let's go ahead and line our bacon up onto our cookie sheet. Turn that oven on 350 and I'm gonna pepper the bacon. Pepper the bacon to give it some good flavor, right? Absolutely. And you could even put a little bit of brown sugar on here. Yes, if you want some brown sugar taste to your bacon, when this is almost like 90% of the way cooked, sprinkle you just a little bit and it gives a nice sweet and savory taste that I love, all right? I love putting my bacon into the oven because there's no splattering. You don't have to worry about flipping it over or anything like that. I'm making this whole pack of bacon. Pepper on and into the oven. My BLT today, we're adding eggs. And I was wondering, like, am I going to do a fried egg? Am I going to do over easy? I'm going to do kind of like a little omelet, okay? So I'm cracking 3 eggs. What a nice fluffy egg in the middle of this BLT. Oh my goodness. This is going to be all exciting. I'm so excited. When's the last time y'all had a BLT? Bacon is cooking up. It smells absolutely amazing in here. I've got a nice cup of coffee waiting on me. And so I put about 1.5 tablespoons of some sweet cream butter right into our pan. And now I'm going to put these 3 eggs in. You're going to need a soft spatula. When you're making up an omelet, a soft spatula is going to be your best friend. Let's cut some fresh tomato. When you bring your tomatoes home, y'all wash them off. You never know who's handling them. People be handling vegetables and fruits in the local market and they smell them, they shake them, they do all kinds of stuff, right? Wash them off. I'm going to continue cutting this tomato because not only am I making just one, I'm doing one for you guys, but I'm making a couple of these. Absolutely I am. When's the last time you had a BLT? Is it something that you like? Is it something that your family makes? My husband requested this and I'm like, absolutely. I would love to make him a BLT. He's spoiled. Yes, he is, but I tell you what, I wouldn't change it for anything in the world. So let me show you my omelet. See how everything's moving cohesively? I just kind of let it go. As long as you butter and oil the pan, you're moving in the right direction. Look at that. Perfect. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to salt and pepper this egg to give it some great flavor. If you wanted to, go ahead and put the cheese down in there. Or since we're making a BLT, you can just put the cheese wherever. But here's what I'm going to do. The cheese is going inside of this omelet. Yes, it is. All right. Just like this. And then we're going to flip it over. Go ahead and flip it over. I'm going to flip it over this side, flip it over that side, and then we'll cut it, okay? And this will make 2 eggs for 2 sandwiches. Watch this. Can everybody see? Just like that. Yep. And then we'll take this side just like that. Oh my goodness. That looks good, right? Sure it does. Go ahead and cut it in half so we have 2 eggs for 2 sandwiches. This is going to be perfect for your BLT, right? Yes, it will. I'll tell you up close what this egg looks like. When you take the time to like really make things special, it's always going to taste beautiful. I could have made just a fried egg, but I said, no, I'm going to put an omelet inside of my BLT. Perfect piece of lettuce. I love iceberg lettuce. Iceberg lettuce is definitely my favorite. It has a crispiness to it that I love. I mean, it's so fresh. There we go. I'm just going to get a little bit more and we'll be good to go. In the meantime, that bacon is smelling amazing. So the question of the day is, are you putting your BLT on just fresh bread? Or are you going to toast it? Because today I'm toasting it. We're making toast. So I have some lovely honey wheat bread that is so delicious. But did you know when you make toast, you're supposed to use melted butter for your toast? If you're that person that's using cold butter on your toast, that cold butter will make your toast mushy, right? Absolutely. Tell me, is that the most beautiful bacon you have ever seen? Sure it is. It's going to be nice and crispy. Ooh, yeah. And I got some Kewpie mayo. When I make a BLT, I want some mayo. Are you putting mayo on your BLT? That's the question of the day. Toast down. Let's go ahead and butter our bread just like this. And we're going to assemble the sandwich. It comes together so quick. I'm telling you, this is the BLT you want. I took those omelets. I put them in the microwave to reheat them up. Let's go ahead and put down a nice bed of fresh lettuce first. Yep, just like that. Go ahead and put our egg right on top of the lettuce. Yes. And then here's what we're gonna do. The Kewpie mayo on top of the egg. Oh my goodness. We're not kidding. Yes, nice, fresh, beautiful tomatoes today. And then we load the bacon on. Load the bacon on like you are absolutely wild. There you have it, a Gina Young BLT make you some. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you ain't subscribed, what you waiting on? Tell your family and friends, tell the world what Gina's doing every single day in this kitchen. And Father, on today, we thank you for this meal and your hedge of protection. Amen. Stay tuned because we're going to taste it. Going in. Take a bite. Yes, here we go. That's it.